BlueStar's config department is the best kept secret that we never actually intended to keep a secret.
Fig team has a variety of capabilities. We can do something as simple as asset tagging or adding a cable to a printer box to full-blown assembly, application loads, configuration, registration, and custom packaging.
Our goal here is to make things as easy as possible for our customers. So when the product arrives, it's basically just plug and play.
We want the install to go as quickly and as smoothly as possible.
Alex Bowles, Service Program Manager with BlueStar. I support our sales team with anything related to service, whether it's pre-shipment configuration, staging, kitting, anything we're going to do in-house, as well as manage a network of third-party service partners. When I'm working with partners or selecting a partner, like a third-party service partner, I want to know what they're really good at, right? So I ask them, what is the majority of the projects that you're doing? Because that's the business that I want to send you.
What are the kinds of stuff that our config team handles?
Our config team can handle all kinds of things. Key injections, for example, and software or application loads for payment terminals.
Asset tagging, quality control, staging, custom packaging, software integration or upgrades. Possibilities are limitless.
Our value add team can figure it out.
The overall solution is a POS system of sorts. It will be utilized at Walmart's back at house in the electronics center.
This project included the ELO I-Series 10-inch tablet. There was a stand, a 2D barcode scanner, an expansion module, and a customer-owned keyboard. Yeah, pretty frequently, actually, we take customer-owned inventory. If it's something that we don't carry, a lot of times they can ship it to BlueStar and we can incorporate that however need be into the project that they're working on.
For this project, there are two parts. The first part is reconfiguring the I-Series, and that is updating the OS and enrolling the device into the MDM of the end user. The second part is kitting together all the units for the overall project into a single box. The overall benefit for custom config for this project is the ease of use and installation. Instead of the end user and the installers having to look for all the components or everything arriving to the location at separate times, everything will be all together, kitted in one box, seamless, ready to go.
Often we do drop ship directly to the end user. It saves time and freight costs from shipping it to the reseller's facility. They don't have to receive it in, they don't have to stage it and then ship it out again when we can just directly drop ship it to the end user. Before we kick off any rollouts, we're going to do a proof of concept on the configuration, the staging, to make sure that everything is correct. And if we need to make any adjustments before we start rolling out hundreds of devices, we're going to do that. We also offer custom packaging, and the benefits could be twofold. One is functionality, so everything gets there in one box. And two is branding and branding awareness. What kind of experience do you want the end customer to have? I would say, for any resellers that are hesitant, don't be. Reach out to your account manager. Even if it's something simple that we can help with, we're happy to do that. There really isn't too small of a project for our configuration team. It could be a single device.